What's why Mrs. What's why Mrs.
Madam, listen. You didn't tell me.
You know you are a thiefless.
I'm not a thief.
You are a thief.
I'm not a thief.
So once sorry, I'm a young quiet. What's the young idea? Maybe a kid,
Madam,
for what's the idea? Sorry,
Madam,
who are you? Feel who says, hey, Asema. Answer.
I think we're doing the best man. What she said, them some new cooking.
Madam, it is
I'm not saying I know a farm.
Madam,
what I told you,
maybe some so near it.
hey,
So
Now me back and no chairman. Now back and say,
just a little.
hungry.
Me a funeral.
then you are already gone.
Me a funeral.
So you have to tell about
So what's your Miss what 7 years? What's it? Madam, I thought you that's what you mean. So I thought them cool so. I never want to come to me. What's it? I said, oh, you're running.
I have a wife.
Oh, I know.
You didn't tell me earlier. Madam, he didn't tell me earlier. I should have stayed away. I said, what do you expect me to do? Madam, then you've gone.
I have to tell you,
You've already
the
gone.
man said that she have a wife, so nobody can challenge the spirits. What do you have down?
Jesus.
Can you match, bra? Can you match?
Madam, please.
This man is my wife. This man.
Your husband for crying out loud. Your husband.
This lady collected him for me. What is nonsense? Madam, I'm not what their wife.
But you don't ever be about the end.
I asked him first, and he was like, "No, I said, "You so what do you expect me to do?"
No, it's about when
Bra, business. So 500 million. I make man. Come the one I call your business. No. So what do you want me to do?
You are prostitute.
Madam, now.